Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, March 31st, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And don't forget to take a quick look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all these benefits listed below and more. So the pound yen has been going down pretty good for the last couple of days, but I think that we are very clearly in an uptrend on the higher time frames. I am targeting about the 202 area for this move up. I think we're in a wave C of B, which means that we're probably going to continue to trend up on these higher time frames, eventually looking something like that. So keep that in mind as we go down to the 1 hour time frame. I think this is very clear, even though it's a higher high. I think this is very clearly 5 waves down, wave A. I think this is very clearly one, two, three waves up, wave B. Now it is a higher high wave B, which means it could be a running flat. If it's a running flat, it could make a higher low relative to the wave A, turn up, break structure, continue the uptrend. If it's a more of an expanding flat, which it definitely could be, it might end up going down quite a bit more, taking out these lows, maybe even taking out this structure before we get that break to the upside, ending this wave C and potentially continuing the higher time frame uptrend for that wave C of B, like I just showed on the daily time frame. So pay attention to structure, maybe throw your Fibonacci's on there, and you should be trading in the right direction. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.